just a few weeks away from the highly anticipated unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Many intriguing details regarding the new model have surfaced, as have prospective features, but one important piece of information has been absent until now, and that is the price of these handsets. Today, we have a leak from Galaxy Club stating that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus might be cheaper than the S23 equivalent in the EU. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could experience a price increase compared to the S23 price. If the reports are true, the Galaxy S24 might start at €899, while the Galaxy S24 Plus could start at €1,149. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to launch for €1,449. Galaxy Club did not have US pricing information, and it is important to note that Samsung's pricing strategy in the US differs from that in the EU. For context, the S23 launch price was €949, the S23 Plus price was €1,199, and the S23 Ultra price was €1,399, which is lower than the leaked information from earlier this year. Until this news, most rumors stated that Samsung will keep the S24 series pricing the same as the S23 series. It is a strategy that the corporation has used in previous years, despite the fact that Apple, Google, and other rivals have announced price increases on their mobile devices. Keep pricing the same would imply that the basic model of the S24 would start at $800, the S24 Plus will start at $1,000, and the premium S24 Ultra will cost at least $1,200. It's difficult to predict what Samsung will do with the S24 series pricing in different regions because various factors, including local taxes, influence pricing. If the leak is true, we could see the Galaxy S24 get a $750 price, the S24 Plus $950, and the S24 Ultra $1,250. More leaks and rumors about the entire specification have already surfaced, and it has been verified that the Exynos CPU will power both the S24 and S24 Plus internationally, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in the US and Canada. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.